Hi, myself Ramanathan from HCL Technology, participating in this hackathon program as a team. I'm trying to demonstrate the micro app that we have created. So the integration that we have done for authentication purpose. So we used Azure Active Directory as a tenant that we configured, and as a application. So the integration that we have done to pull out the Outlook calendar, so that that information that we configured for authentication mechanism that we used auth O2, and the credentials and everything is configured here, where we are taking the data from Outlook Graph API using Outlook Graph API. So this is one portion and the integration part. The other side, what we have created as a app, micro app, to create a micro app to pull the user calendar events and also update the events. There are two page that we have created as a app. So I'm just going to take through that page. So we created a two page for taking the events from the calendar. That is one thing that we have done successfully, that we are able to take out the user calendar data. So and then second thing, to create events. So the create events will go and update the events that we are trying to post. We are trying to send the events to the participants who are need to access, who are need to be sent. So these two page that we have created. So if you go with the show events, then we are trying to take the events from the calendars. So for example, this is the information that we are trying to pull from the calendar. So this is one. And the second thing, to create. So there are two things that we are trying to establish in this demo. So create event. So this event, you need to fill all the information that you wanted to update in the
2
user
minutes over.
calendar, and the date and time, and the audience who are participating, you and the attendee emails that you need to put in place, and then click create events. Then this button will create the events inside the Outlook calendar. So for example, it will go and update the relevant fields, relevant user calendar, like this. For example, so this is one event which we are trying to pull from this. For example, show events. So this data will be picking up from the user calendar. So that is the information. So let me take you through the demo section. So for example, when you click on this app, so there are two things which will be populated. One is to take out the information from the Outlook calendar, which is populating here. So this is the data which will be coming from Outlook. For example, this is the data which will be populated here. So this is one. And the second thing, so if you click on the event, new event, and you need to give some name, and then you need to provide the date and time when the event is going to be, and what is the overall the audience that you need to put in place, and then you have to click create events. So the moment you click create events, it will go and update the data in this Outlook calendars. So this is the second thing which we have done. But due to some technical issue from the Citrix and backend infrastructure, there is some bug. Due to that, this function is not working. We raised a case with them, and the Citrix team is working on it. So this is the problem which is encountered as a for this particular events. The other one, we are successfully able to retrieve the data from the Outlook, and we are able to showcase, and even this data is getting updated, and it is reflecting from the Outlook as well. So this is we have done successfully. So this is the quick demo of the micro app that we have created. And I think this is a fantastic tool that I could see, but the down the line we need to enhance more and more to make we can integrate many product along with this tool. So I think it's a good tool, looks to me. Thanks a lot.